The crepes in the kitchen are used for different food. The first few seconds, but also appetizer. We prepare savory crepes. To do before my crepes, I will use an electric crepe griddle, so we all the same, and above all, I will not use the butter on the pan. Prepare the butter for the crepes following the recipe, then pour it into the plate supplied with a crepe. As soon as it is hot, we proceed to dip the electric crepe into the plate to make the butter adhere at the surface. Wait a few minutes, the cooking time necessary for the crepes, and with a spatula, remove it from the crepe. Have you seen how easy it is? We repeat this operation until the butter is finished in the plate. At this point, we proceed to fill the crepes. Spread the robiola on the first half, then add the pesto. Now let's fold the crepes in half and then again in half. When I have finished filling the crepes, I will put them in this pan, a few minutes in the oven to gratin, and they will be delicious. We have the crepes stuffed with a tip up, so they will be easier to portion. Add the remaining robiola and also the pesto. Then a nice handful of Parmesan cheese. Let's go directly into the oven and bake with a grill at 115 degrees for about 7 minutes, the time that the Parmesan make a nice crust.